In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group rows in Smartsheet. Before we start, the key to making this work smoothly is being in grid view. Grid view is the standard spreadsheet style layout in Smartsheet, and it's where the indent and outdent tools are available. If your sheet looks more like a calendar, cards, or a timeline, switch back to grid view so you can follow along without any hiccups. Once you're in grid view, decide which rows you want to group together. Click and drag to highlight the rows you want in the same group. The top row in your selection will become the parent row, and the rows beneath it will become child rows. With those rows highlighted, go to the toolbar at the top and click the indent button. The indent action doesn't move your data to a different place. Instead, it creates a hierarchy. You'll know it worked when you see a small symbol appear to the left of that new parent row. That symbol will either show a minus or a plus. When you see a minus sign, that means your group is expanded and all the child rows are visible. Clicking the minus collapses the group so you can hide the details, and the symbol flips to a plus. Clicking the plus expands the group again, showing those child rows. This is great for keeping long sheets tidy and for focusing on just the sections you need in the moment. If you want to undo a grouping or move rows back out to the main level, highlight the rows you want to move out of the group, then click the outdent button in the top toolbar. Outdent takes the selected rows up one level, effectively removing them from the hierarchy. If you outdent all the child rows, the group disappears, returning everything to a flat list. Remember, you can outdent more than once if a row has been indented multiple levels. A couple of quick tips as you work. Make the parent row a clear label or summary so it's easy to understand what the group contains. And if your sheet is large, collapsing groups can help performance and readability when you're scanning for specific sections. That's all there is to it. Highlight the rows you want to group, click indent to create the hierarchy, use the plus and minus to expand or collapse, and use outdent to return rows to the main level. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials.